everybody, and welcome to my channel. It's your girl Lexi Janae, and today we're gonna be tapping all into my skincare routine. So for those of you that don't know, this recipe starts in the kitchen. So I'm gonna take my glasses off because it look like a dork. So everything that I use on my face can be found in the kitchen. That means it's 100% natural. Everything is natural. The first thing that I'm gonna do is pull out my aloe plant, the base of my formula. Now this is just like the tail end of my aloe that I've been using like for the past month now. Really juicy. You can see the drip. All of that is scraped off and added to my blender. The next thing that I use, a little bit of lemon juice, squeeze a little bit of dip. I also use honey. So I probably get one of these every 2 months. It costs $10. I like to go to Aldi's and get me a nice little jug of honey because we use a lot of honey. I drink a lot of tea and it's good for your face. So this face mask here that I'm making is just a natural exfoliant. It's really clean because it's natural. Everything is natural. And it adds and retains moisture, so you don't have to worry about your face drying out once you finish with your skincare routine. Like, I can literally put this on and go on about my day once I rinse it off with no moisturizer, and my face is moisturized all day by my natural oils.
Everything is natural.
And the moisture that is in this aloe plant. Oh, and one more thing that I use, apple cider vinegar with the mother. I have everything I need, so let's get started. So just as mentioned earlier, this is a face mask that has a lot of moisture retaining properties, and one of the main reasons is because of the aloe vera that I'm adding into the mix. Now, the aloe vera adding is usually like the most tedious and extraneous part of making the whole mix, because you literally have to cut the plant open and scoop out all of the insides, the jelly stuff, until the plant is, just the leaf and not the extract. Now, my favorite part about the aloe is that it can be used for a lot of things, like sunburns or any kind of burns, acne, dry skin. It has antioxidants, anti-inflammatories, enzymes, and vitamins A and C, which all of those combined can really help to retain your natural moisture and get rid of any dryness, irritated, redness, inflamed areas on your skin. Specifically speaking, on your face, the enzymes help to exfoliate, which just kind of keeps your follicles awake and alive and active. Our skin cells regenerate themselves, but as long as we're taking care of them, they'll be able to do that more effectively. So it helps with aging. It helps you from getting deep wrinkles, lines. If you apply this every day, you'll definitely notice a difference. So as I am going in on this aloe leaf right now, you can see like the jelly stuff coming off. Some of it's a little chunky, kind of like the pulp. If you say like if you were to squeeze an orange and you get like the little orange pulp, it's basically the same thing. This is just aloe pulp. Of course, when you blend it, it won't be all chunky, but just having it all scraped out as much as possible, because the more aloe you get, the more you can basically plot the rest of the ratio of your formula off of the aloe that you have in the base. So the next ingredient we'll be adding is the lemon juice. This has a lot of antioxidants and vitamin C, which combined just helps to brighten up any dark spots that you might have, evening out your skin tone. And it also helps to reduce the size of your pores, which makes everything look nice, tight, and smooth. Now, the ACV is where all of the cleansing properties of the face mask will come from. As an antibacterial and an antifungal, it helps to kill all of the bacteria and buildup that are in your pores. And it's also high in acids, so we're going to add some water too. Now, adding the honey is my favorite part because it helps to hydrate your skin naturally. It also can remove dead skin cells that typically clog your pores and gives you this soft, glowy look when you're done with it. It also has anti-inflammatory properties, which is one of those things that reduces the redness and the swellings that acne produces. Here is where we'll add the bearberry extract, also known as uva ursi. This just helps to regulate your skin pigment. And lastly, but certainly not least, is the resveratrol extract. This is naturally found in plants that grow in direct sunlight like berries and grapes. It helps to protect against UVB rays, and it also boosts your natural levels of collagen. Once all is set in the blender, I'll go ahead and mix it. I usually make sure I have a bowl and an applicator set aside. Initially, it's really foamy, but the foam settles after the effects of the blending has worn off. I make sure I make this a part of my daily routine in the morning in my brushing my teeth and washing my face. I let it sit for about 20 minutes. And the same thing at night when I wash off a long day of work and makeup. I'll apply it, let it sit for 20 minutes, and my face just has this natural glow afterwards. 100% natural. And I would recommend this for anybody, all skin types. I mean, it works amazing. And my face is super soft and super clean. I would recommend this for anybody. All right, thanks for watching.